I'll show you how to silver solder a broken hand on a pocket watch. These are very brittle, and of course this one broke. We'll remove the hands with a hand remover. Pull up on it. I'll solder it back together, but before I do, I'll straighten up this little curve here. We've got that little bend straightened up. We'll place the parts on a ceramic block, apply a little flux, apply it right on both pieces. I'll dab a little bit of rubbing cement. This will stick the pieces so they don't move around as much. We'll apply a little bit of solder right to that joint. When we try to move the hand, you can see it's all fused together as one piece. Usually something like silver solder will work a little better. We'll place the hand back into place. Apply a little bit of blue, but the color's pretty good. With the silver solder, it's a very strong connection. The minute hand goes right into place. I'll move the hands around a little bit to make sure nothing hits, and we're looking good. This watch doesn't have a crystal, so we'll hunt one of these down. This one seems to fit nice. We'll set the bezel back into place. Now it looks real nice. We'll just need to find a second hand for it.